Hi everyone, let's do a quick and easy hairstyle for any hair. For that we need to part your hair from the middle and start creating a braid. So I am doing just simple plaits here. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Create a loose braid and finally tie it up using a rubber band. I'm asking to create a loose braid because we'll be pulling out hairs to give it a fuller look. Okay, so now it is done. Now we'll need to pull our hairs so that it will create a very beautiful look, and same we need to do for the other side as well. So let's tie both of the braids behind our head, and this is how it looks. Now to add some more interesting things, we can add some pearls in the pins. I have created these pins by myself, like the pins were there and I have added just this pearls over it. So now it's looking very beautiful. So for going for a party or something, we can add this additionally. And if you want just casual, then you can leave it like that as well. So yeah, let's add. So I'm adding around 4 to 5 pearls on each side. Okay, so this is done now. Let's adjust it a bit. I'll be adding a rose to give it a cute look. So I removed the hairpin that I used earlier and added a rose here. Now we need to remove the rubber bands and open the braid. And this is how it looks finally. Easy, right? Anyone can make this beautiful hairstyle. It does not take any effort in creating this hairstyle. So do let me know in the comment section if you guys liked it and have you tried this. And if you like this hairstyle, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. And until next time, bye bye.